Hi, I'm Kate. Today we're going to look at personal pronouns. We use personal pronouns regularly in English, so let's learn a bit more. At my school, there are many teachers. Mike is a teacher. He works in a school. For all you watching, let's look at the two sentences, focusing on the highlighted words. Now, can you guess when we use personal pronouns? I'll give you some time to think. Personal pronouns are used to take the place of nouns. They are also called subject pronouns. Look at this example again. Instead of repeating Mike's name again in the second sentence, we just use the personal pronoun he, because we know that Mike is a male. Sometimes we use personal pronouns to refer to one person or one thing. These are singular personal pronouns. Let's take a look. For the first person singular, we use I. For the second person singular, we use you. For the third person singular, we have three pronouns. For males, it is he. For females, it is she. We use it for things, animals, and something general. So, the singular personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, and it. Here are some more examples for you. I am from London. You are a student. He plays tennis. She reads a book. It is a dog. It is a hot day. What if we're referring to more than one person or object? In this case, we need to use plural pronouns. We refers to a group, which includes me. You refers to a group of people that does not include me. They refers to a group of people, animals, or things. Here are some examples. We are students. You are a good team. They are Italian. Now you can use personal pronouns. Today we learnt when we use personal pronouns, what are singular personal pronouns, and what are plural personal pronouns. See you in another video. Bye!